Alright, these will be the elevators at the Ballston Quarter Parking Garage here in Arlington, Virginia. If I remember at a time, I think the old elevators were ripped out and were replaced with these, I think. Not quite sure on that though. Oh, there's an ice skating rink here. That's awesome. We'll go to C. And then this side has, I remember the older elevators had these kind of doors though, so these might still be the original elevators. Let's see. Let's get off at M3. It's the Quarter Market down there. I remember the old Ballston Common Mall. It was probably much better than this one. Can we go to M3 or is that blocked off? Okay, there we go. I think it's gonna open up on this side. Yeah, it's gonna open up on this side.